Hi everyone, welcome to the episode. This week we're going to travel from Launceston down the Midlands Highway through mud walls down to Port Arthur. We're going to travel over a lot of bridges and we're going to check out the Penal colony. That's Port Arthur. Sit back, enjoy the episode. The picturesque Penal Canal on our way through to Port Arthur. View of Pirates Bay. Have a look at that coastline. That is rugged. Damn. This place is amazing, absolutely amazing. Today we went and visited Port Arthur, the convict settlement site down here in southeast Tasmania. Gee, the footage I've taken, I doubt that I've done it any justice at all, but I do hope that you enjoy it. It's only a very small snippet of what's available there. Get the opportunity, go and check the place out yourself. Different things for different people. But that's my second visit and very different takeaways from me this time from last time. Enjoyed it again immensely, even though the weather's crap, it's freezing. I don't know whether you can see the steam coming out of me while I'm talking. It's very, very cold. But a bit enjoyable having a look around the place. Historic value, the history, pretty amazing. So, given the opportunity, I recommend that you go and check it out. Just heading off to do the ghost tour, Port Arthur historic site. Join us. You never know. We might see something none of us want to see. Enjoy.
Suggest to our patrons that you stay within the group. It's rather dangerous to go wandering off by yourself at Port Arthur. Ghosts and hauntings don't just happen at night time. They also happen during daytime when people are visiting. And it's interesting to note there are over 17,000 documented reports from visitors who've been here and had some sort of experience whilst they've been here at Port Arthur. Whether that be physical hauntings, like people have felt the presence of somebody nearby, they've been pushed, shoved. Others, including myself, have enjoyed emotional. Port Arthur, you didn't need to put the fear of God into it. It was a terribly frightening place. Anyway. During the construction of this building, there is a building you can hear me. Watch out for that. Okay. All right, everyone.
After the visit to Port Arthur yesterday, we decided we'd head north-west and check out the coal mines that were owned and operated by the convicts of the day. So I'll get you some footage of that as well. Enjoy. Prison cells, and a lot of space. Not a lot of space, but a pretty specky view. In one of the confined space, seclusion cells for the naughty of the naughty. As you can see behind, there's not a lot of space. Roof height, I can just stand up in here. That's it, and out the door. Just enough room to lay down. Wouldn't want to be claustrophobic. Chilling place, but specky view. You can see the coal vein in the surface. I lost the footage, don't know what I did with it, not making excuses. I need to stop saying just been putting the Port Arthur footage together and discovered that I've lost the transition piece that I did from the coal mine to Pirates Bay and areas around. So please enjoy this little snippet of footage from the rugged coastline down there. It's pretty spectacular. The ocean was extremely flat the day we were there, so there was a little bit of disappointment with some white water, but anyway. No blowing at the blowhole today. More pictures of the amazing rugged coast.